Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Ever wish your small business could sell in person and online without the headache? Then you need to check out GoDaddy POS, that's point of sale. So in this video, I will show you how to set it up and its top feature, what it costs and how to actually use it step by step. So let's go. First, start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you're in, go to Commerce, then select Point of Sale. Now choose your hardware. There's two options. Option 1, Mobile Card Reader, compact, easy, about $49, and then Smart Terminal, bigger screen, receipt printer, around $299. Once your hardware arrives, plug it in, connect with software, download the GoDaddy mobile app if need. Then add your products manually or import from your online store in just a minute and you are ready to sell. Step 2. What can actually GoDaddy do? Here are some GoDaddy POS powerful features. Accept all major cards like Visa, MasterCard, Amex, support Apple Pay and Google Pay. Real-time inventory sync. If you sell one item at your store and it disappeared from your online store too. And then no double selling, no confusion. Then digital receipt. With GoDaddy POS, you can email or print right from the device. Then you can also text calculation and do daily reports. With it gives them the access but limit what they can see. The dashboard shows everything from sales, bestseller, busy times, everything right on your phone or laptop. So whether you run a salon, boutique, food truck or pop-up event, GoDaddy POS is ready and best for small business owner. So let's talk about its cost. The hardware. Card reader is around $49. Smart terminal is around $299. Transaction fee. In person, it costs 2.9% plus 0C per sweep and keyed in 27% plus 0C. But if you want an online store and you will need one of the GoDaddy e-commerce plan, which starts at about $20 per month. There is no monthly fee for using POS, so if you only sell in person, just pay for the device and transaction fee. But if you want online and offline sale together, that's where the e-commerce plans help. Now let's walk through how to use it. Once you set up, here's how a sale works. All you have to do is tap the product on a GoDaddy terminal, tap charge, then customer tab, swipe or insert their cart. Now your printer or email the receipt. Your inventory updates are instantly done. So it's very smooth, fast and perfect for busy checkout. So, and a bonus tip is you can even track sales by employee, add discount or create a custom product bundles. And also if you're at event with no Wi-Fi, GoDaddy POS can still take payments offline and sync later. So is GoDaddy POS worth it? Yes. It's easy to set up, works for anyone, tacky or not, affordable versus most other POS system. Connect online plus offline business in one place. If you want simplicity, speed and inventory control, then this might be a great choice for you. And let you tell me what do you think about GoDaddy POS. Have you tried it yet? Drop your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more business tools made easy. Simple. So see you in my next video.